Welcome to another video of What I Do, and I'm Zara. Same video is available in Malayalam. If you want to watch that video, the link of that video is given in the description box below. Today I'm here with a weekend vlog. In this vlog you can watch a breakfast cum evening snack recipe and also a place which I visited last weekend. If I tell about the recipe which I am sharing, it is a bread omelette recipe. You know, you can try this bread omelette recipe in different types, and here I am showing a recipe which I do try in my house. You will love this type of bread omelette and kids are going to enjoy it. So do try this recipe. So let me tell something about the place which I visited. It's an orange farm in Saudi Arabia. Yearly in Saudi Arabia there will be an orange festival, and that time they will open the farm to the public and it is completely free to visit. So I'll be showing a glimpse of that place in this video. I hope you will enjoy. Before going to the details of this orange farm, we will start with the breakfast recipe. I'm really fond of this recipe because of the combination of cheese and carrot in it. I'll show the vegetables which I'm using. First we'll take onions and cut into such rings. The width of the ring should be almost similar to the width of the bread which we are taking. If you want, you can use the rest of the onion pieces also for filling, but here I am not using that. And grate a carrot like this. Now we will take the main ingredient. Here I am using white bread. You can use brown bread as well. Now cut a square from the center of the bread. If you want, you can include this bread in your breakfast, but here I am not including it. Or either you can use this for making breadcrumbs. Now take a pan and pour some oil to it. When oil is hot enough, place the bread in the pan, and in that space keep the onion rings, and inside the onion ring pour an egg and season it with some salt and black pepper. Now fill the above space with grated carrot. As I said earlier, you can include the rest of the onion pieces for filling this. So meanwhile, when you're filling this, your egg is getting boiled. Now cover this with a bread. Then flip it over carefully. And here you can see the bread is toasted well and it looks so crispy, and the egg is also boiled properly. Now both the breads are toasted well, you can flip it over again. And in this bread we will place a sheet of cheese. Then cover again it with a bread. Now carefully flip it over again. Now leave the bread to get toasted well. Now here you can see all the breads are toasted well. So off the flame and change it into a serving plate. So here is our crispy and yummy breakfast. You can also try this as your evening snack. Kids will love this recipe. You can give them as their after school snack. So do try this recipe. So don't miss this recipe. You will love this cheesy carrot filling inside it. So do try and give your feedback. So this is our breakfast today. After this breakfast, we'll get ready for our trip. Okay, now the time is 8:30 and we got ready for our trip. So the trip starts now. Let me tell something about the destination. We are going to visit an orange farm in Hariq. It is little far from Riyadh. So if I tell about the beauty of the orange farm, it is superb. I guess I don't have to tell more about the beauty of that place because this video is quite enough to know how beautiful is that place. After reaching that greenery, you will surely forget this dry desert area. And now we are almost near to the destination, and name of this place is Hariq. Here you can see the parking is so long. We are parking our car a little far and walking to that place. It is very rush. And this is our orange farm, and in the entrance you can see they are welcoming us, and the hospitality was superb. Near the entrance you can see a place for the visitors to sit. They are treating all the visitors as their guests. And in the center of this place you can see a large plate with full of different types of oranges, and you can have as much as you want, and you can also have Arabic coffees from there. And here you can see some other fruits exhibited which is harvested from the same farm. Now let's see inside the farm. And here is the orange trees. It's looking so beautiful, and the smell of the oranges is filled in this farm. And there are some other attractive places in this farm, so let's see that. They have tried their level best to entertain the visitors coming here, and near these lovebirds you can see small orange trees carrying lot of oranges in them. If you're tired after walking a lot in this farm, don't worry, there are public and private areas for you to take rest. And if you wish a peaceful time with your family alone inside this greenery, you will see such places for that. And for ladies, there is a separate section for them in the center of this farm with greeneries on either sides. There they can enjoy different types of oranges and Arabic coffee. The beauty of this farm is not only donated by the orange trees, but also you can see small contribution of grape plants and banana trees. And on either sides of the footpath you can see large and huge date palms carrying ripe and juicy dates in it. This awesome and beautiful nature's beauty is presented by a Saudi family to the public. They welcome each and every nationalities to this place, and they never fail to make their visitors happy. Now there is another place for us to visit, an orange exhibition market a little far, so for that we are moving out of this farm. Here in this exhibition we can buy different types of oranges and small orange plants. Here is the exhibition, so let's park the car here, and this is the entrance of the exhibition. You can see they have arranged it so beautifully. Here they decorated this entrance with some small other plants and orange plants, and inside you can see they have focused this orange plant and decorated with some oranges here. These are different types of orange plants. Now we are going to the section. Here also you can see they have arranged well. Here you can see a big fruit. It was a surprise for me to know that it is not an orange but a lemon. And here is the main market. I'll show an overview. Other than oranges, you will get many other fruits. Here is a fig fruit. Every fruits here are organic. And here is a stall for honey. As per the proof of purity of honey, they have showcased some honeybees here. I hope you can see it. And there are stalls for dates. There are different varieties of dates here. And here is an attractive corner beside this market where visitors can sit and rest and also enjoy Arabic coffees. Okay, let me show the organic fig fruit which I bought from here. So now our farm visit is over. Now we are going to have lunch. Actually, there was no family restaurants nearby, so we bought parcel and thought to take our lunch in an outdoor area. For that, we spotted a park in a hilltop so that kids can also enjoy there. So this is a park. It's a lovely place for kids to play, but there is renovation going on. Here there are small shelters for families to have their time, and play areas are also there. And we had our food from outside in the lawn. And after that, kids enjoyed their time. From here we can see a hilltop view of Hariq city. Now we all packed and getting down from this park, and now we are moving back. Here now in Hariq we enjoyed a beautiful orange farm and going back to our home city Riyadh. So I'm winding up my video. I hope you like this vlog, and if you like this video, please let me know. Give a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. So next I'll be coming with a recipe video, and to get such useful and different videos, subscribe to this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification as soon as I upload the video. So thank you so much and have a nice day.